What's up? Welcome back. Real quick, you came to this video to say, ooh, maybe I can learn something. I don't know. Let's see what we can do today. So, we just got back from the swap meet. We have been up since 8 o'clock last night. Have not had any sleep since then. We've been grinding, hustling. We did 29 listings last night before I left. I left around 3 o'clock this morning. The van was full, and I came back with even more. But let me show you what I did. Come on, let's go. So if you've been following the channel, you realize that I recently got, I don't know, 50 some boxes of books, and I've been processing them crazily, like 3 or 4 a day, trying to get it done before the end of the month. I just bought another 350 books for 20 bucks. But you know what? They were free, but I gave the guy 20. It's worth it. But yeah, that's where we're at with that today. And we bought some, you can't see them. Let's see if we can see them. Hold on. Bought some receipt. Look, the guy, they came in suitcases. I got 2 of those suitcases right there. I could sell 2 of those suitcases for 20, get my money back. The reason I did that is because the guy does cleanouts. And, oh no, we're dropping our goods. So let me show you something. You gotta hustle to get the goods for the kids. That's the process. That's the process. Here, let's pick up our damaged bottle of ketchup. You gotta get the hustle down so you can get boogieing. Let's see, I wanna show you. Can we get in here? Can we get in here? We cannot get in here. Look, all the way from the half, from here back is books. And then it has, I think there's only 2 boxes back there. I'm trying to see if I can find the receivers. Yo, I can't see them, but maybe you can. Right there, baby. Get it, baby. Let's go. Right there. That one's a Pioneer. And then one down below it, you can't see it. It's a Marantz SR7001. Doesn't work, doesn't power up, but I paid $2.50 a piece for those. So $5. I could get probably $100 for the Marantz, and the Pioneer one does work, so I'll get about 50, 60 bucks for that one. And then see what else. Oh, I bought a knife. Oh, we got this little Hunt 12-inch paper trimmer. We paid $5 for it. $5? That's a great deal, Lobster. Yeah, so that's gonna be something we're gonna use. And it came with the box, so when I'm done using it, guess what? We'll sell it. If it doesn't work the way I want it to work. Where's this knife at? Let's have a peek-see. Here, put you down on my ketchup. This is a Spyderco, Spyderco VG10. Very cool knife. Brand new, they sell for about 100 to 120. I paid 30 on this. I should get about 60 to 90 once I clean it up. I know. But Lobster, why do you pay so much? Well, you know what? Not everything is a gold nugget, folks. But I can tell you this right now. That $20 that I invested in that box, this tote, that suitcase, that tote, this tote, and that box and those 2 suitcases, 20 bucks, I see an easy Amazon alone, 500 bucks. Easy. It might take me some time. But you know what? I'll squeeze it. A good one. And I'll hold it. You gotta know when to hold them, baby. Kenny Rogers, all the way home, all the way to the bank, hopefully. But that's it. And all the other stuff in there is the dollar stuff. They think they only have. We got 1 chair left. That was an alley find. A bicycle, which I'm probably just gonna give to my daughter. I don't know. She might be too tall for it. But those are all finds. And let me just show you something. That house, right? Where is it? Right over there. Right there with the cage. He had 2 things out there this morning when I left. In his trash, by his trash cans. See where the trash cans are? I don't know if you can see the trash cans. The blue and black one right there? Yeah. Yeah. I took them. I threw them at 3:05 in the morning. Put them in the van. Sold both items for $25. You know where the $25 went? You want to know where? Hello, Little Caesars. Hello, can I get 2 cheese, 2 Peps, please? It's $23 and change. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the pizzas. I know. I'm cheap, but I'm thrifty. Just don't tell my wife that, okay? She thinks I'm loaded. Later.